Hey everyone, welcome to day two, or you can do it in the same day if you want, video two. Um, by the way, just as a clarification, the day one, day two is just because ideally you get about 20 minutes for each subject a day. So that's why I broke it up the way you do. But you can do it and all together one day if you want, however you want to do it. So for video two, day two, materials you need are you need your little aluminum burning tin. Okay. You'll need your, if you had one, your scale. Okay. You need a thermometer. Okay. Digital, or doesn't matter if it's digital or not. Either way, but you'll need a thermometer. You'll need your lighter or matches. You'll need your 3 different snack foods. You need at least 1 soda can. We recommend 3 different ones because that makes switching between the snack foods easier. Okay, I've got one because I'm only doing 1 snack food. You need a wire hanger. Okay. If you don't have a wire hanger that you can disfigure, you could probably use some string or rope or something like that to do the setup that I'm going to show you. But a wire hanger works really, really well. You need a broom or some kind of a rod, something like that, and a couple of chairs. Now, I also have, you need, for each can, you'll need a liquid measuring cup. Then you need 50 milliliters of water for each can. All right, so I'm just going to show you the setup here. Take the can, bend the tab so it's vertical, gently, straight up and down like that. Okay. Measure out 50 milliliters of water, pour that into the can. Just regular tap water, not anything special. Okay. We got our can. Now, your hanger. All you're going to do is just stretch out the hanger kind of like this. Okay. Put your 2 chairs far enough apart so your broom can go across them, or your rod or whatever you're using. And all you're going to do is you're going to take your hanger, you're going to loop it over like this and have it hanging down. Okay, so you have this hanging down. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hang your can from the hanger. Now you can see mine's too long here, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the hanger and get a pair of pliers, or you can just twist it, whatever works. Okay. So, all right, I've got it suspended. Now, if it's too high, like you're going to see here, if I have my tray, that's going to be too high. All right, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take something underneath it and just stack it up. I have some tiles here to use. You can use anything that's not flammable, or not easily flammable. So like if you look, that's a pretty good height. I don't have much space between my my little aluminum tin here, burning plate, and the can. So I'm gonna measure out 2 grams. So I measure out 2 grams and take my thermometer and I put the thermometer into the can. Okay. And now, if you're doing it right, mine's a little high. If you're doing it right, you're probably not going to have room to light the stuff in there. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to light it and then slide it in underneath once it's lit. Now, what you want to do is right before you light this, you're going to get the initial temperature of the water. Okay, so mine's at 20.9 Celsius. Record that down. You record the mass of your snack food. Then you're going to start and light your snack food. Now, because of how we're doing this, if you get a little higher flame, you might be able to light it while it's under there. But for mine, I don't think I'm going to be able to. So what I'm going to do this carefully. Now, if you have, you can also use like a oven mitt or something if you're worried about burning your hands or something a little bit while you hold this. The aluminum doesn't heat up, well, it'll heat up underneath, but not on the side, so you can still hold it usually. So I'm going to get these going. As soon as I get them going on their own, okay, I'm going to slide it under here. I don't want to lose too much heat. Okay. So I slide it under the can. Then all you do is you watch. You wait, watch your temperature. What you're watching for is not necessarily the flames going out. Yes, you're going to watch for the flames going out, but you're going to watch and see what the highest temperature it gets to on your thermometer. So even if the flames are out, if it's still going up, you want to wait until it gets to the highest temp that it registers. Okay, so see, mine's out, but it's still going up. Even now, it's still going up. It's starting to slow a little bit. So the temperature will still rise even after the flame's out. And there we go. 32 degrees. 32.0. Record the final temp. Okay. Take your tin, clean it out, do your second, do it 2 more times, second and third time with your other 2 snack foods. Then you're done with day 2. Then for day 3, all you're doing is trying to draw some connections between some of the things that we showed you here. So good luck, hope you have fun, and I will talk to you guys.